Hey everyone! Today we're going to be taking a look at the Knife Center exclusive Gerber Order, available only at KnifeCenter.com. Gerber's Order clip point combo blade folding knife has been one of their most well-rounded tactical folders, and now Knife Center is extremely excited to be bringing an exclusive edition of the Order to the market. Our variation of the Order carries over many of the things we loved about the original, such as the easy one-handed opening, the lightweight GFN handles with textured rubber for grip, the secure lockback mechanism, and the fact that it's made right here in the USA. The main differences you'll see with our exclusive Order is the 420HC blade steel with a bead blasted finish to help with corrosion resistance, and the gray rubber overmolding for extra grip on the handles as opposed to the blacked out look of the original. Most of the changes boil down to cosmetic differences, but the substitution of a plain edge blade enhances the slicing ability of the knife and makes it a much more friendly EDC compared to the original's combo blade. Gerber's taken the more tactical looking Order and turned it into a low-key utility knife while maintaining the aspects that made it such a robust folder in the first place. If you're looking for a simple, lightweight, American-made EDC that won't break the bank, the Gerber Order is the knife for you, and you're only going to find it at KnifeCenter.com. If you're interested in getting your hands on our exclusive Gerber Order folding knife, click the link in the description below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you want to keep up with all of our knife-related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to visit the original and largest online catalog of cutlery, KnifeCenter.com, and check back often for any updates on deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.